Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen from the 9 News Weather Impact Team taking a look at your forecast, where we're going to be focusing on extreme heat and rising grass fire danger. Once again, as we take a look at the high temperatures forecast across the state of Colorado here, coming up on Sunday. No fire weather warnings on Sunday because the winds will be just not quite strong enough, but the concern is still there as temperatures soar more than 20 degrees above average. So that's some pretty extreme heat for this part of February, and that's going to carry in for the next couple of days. We even have a potential heat record on our hands. So the record for Sunday is 67 degrees set back in 2017. That happens to be the only daily record in February that's below 70 degrees. So we got a shot at it here. Our forecast is 67, so we could tie that record. We could break it. This one will definitely tie tomorrow. We'll tie the record for the most 60-degree days in a winter season. We are at 33 right now. Tomorrow we'll hit 34 and that'll tie it, and then we'll break it on Monday. So that will be a record that belongs to us. And as the winds start to kick up a little bit, increasing on Monday and then even further on Tuesday, we have some elevated fire danger for you. And to tell you about here, when on Monday, we keep looking at this this pink shaded area here. That's the warning that's already in place for Monday. Winds could reach the 40-mile-per-hour range on Monday. And then we have this tan shaded area here. That is the watch for Tuesday, and the winds are a little bit more concerning on that day. We could hit some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, even some 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So that's those type of winds that could cause damage to power poles. So we'll be watching that on Tuesday. Here's your forecast for the winds here, specifically looking at the day here on Sunday. Nothing too terrible here on Sunday. Wind gusts could hit that 20 to 30 mile per hour range in spots. And then on Monday, starting to increase. We'll see those 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts, maybe some 40s out on the eastern plains. Same thing in the foothills. We'll start to get some lighter winds here, a bit beyond breezy is what I should say there for Monday. And then here's Tuesday. This is when the winds will really start to kick up. Some 50-mile-per-hour gusts in the forecast here. Could get those 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. In the foothills, we could definitely see some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts here. So Tuesday will be a very windy day, and there is no precipitation in the forecast for the next 3 days. So our snowpack will again start to take a little bit of a dip here, but over the last 3 days, we did get a 3% boost in the snowpack statewide. Still not looking good. Still the worst snowpack on record since that SNOTEL network was installed in 1987. Perhaps the 1981 season was a little bit worse, but we don't really have data to support that. But that is still bad news for a snowpack. But we're in a pattern here where we're going to get more winter storms in succession. We already have the next one on the board here. This one's going to be for Tuesday and Wednesday. We could add another 10 to 20 inches across much of the high country. And that could pull us out of the proverbial snowpack dumpster and get us out of last place. Here's the forecast area. While that next winter storm system is going on in the mountains, again, down here on the Front Range, this is the 7-day forecast for Denver. We'll hardly notice that impact up there. We'll have fire danger as the snow starts to fall in the high country, and then we'll dip down a little bit cooler here, but probably just some isolated showers here possible on Thursday as we wait for the next storm system, which will be the last one in February, to see if we can get some snow down here in Denver for the first time this month. That is your forecast. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all have a real nice Sunday.